Welcome to the Electronic Gadgets channel, and today we're going to talk about a laptop AC power adapter that is pretty much universal, works with pretty much every laptop. So it's a great add-on if you have a burnt power adapter on your laptop, you lost it or it's broken. This is actually a nice power adapter. It is made by a company called Prudent Way, and it's of course made in China. It's a universal power supply. It has different tips and pins. It is actually 120 watts, so it's rated better than even most laptop power adapters. And so I've been using this for a little while because I had two Toshiba computers that didn't have any power adapter. So I actually bought 3 of those. This one is still brand new in its box, but the 2 other ones I've used and really been enjoying using them. When you open the box, well, you get the power adapter and you get what's the most important for your laptop, these little adapters that you just put on the top that is pretty much universal for I would say pretty much every laptop computer. It also is very interesting because I've used universal adapters, and some computers like HP's, for example, sometimes have a hard time because the computer works but the battery don't charge, or there's all sorts of awkward things happening. Well, this one seems to be really good because it works and actually charges the batteries, and there's no problem. So it comes with all of these little plugs. Depending on your laptop, you have to find the right plug for the laptop. Like I said, 120 volts, and it works very well, runs pretty cool. Here's the back of the package. It's about $35 to $40 here on eBay, not eBay, Amazon.ca, which is a Canadian site of Amazon.com. They have it for $38 Canadian. So in the United States, it's maybe a little less. It's maybe more like $35. But I bought it actually at a computer store that's not very far from where I live, and I paid $39.99 for it Canadian. So it works well, but it has one little detail that you'll need to actually find out by yourself when you buy it. And that's maybe the hardest part for pretty much everybody that is not very technically inclined. So here's the power supply. This is the one out of the box that's working right now. So you see there's a little blue light showing power, and there's a green light showing what voltage. This is the tricky part for pretty much everybody. What you need to do before you actually use it is use the slider buttons here, and you have to put the slider on the power, the voltage that your computer needs. So what you need to do is look under your laptop and look at the stickers, and you'll see one that will give you the voltage of your computer. My Toshibas are rated at 19 volts. So I put the adapter at 19 and it stays there. So you got to really be careful, because the big problem with this is that if you choose the wrong voltage, you can actually make the computer really break your computer. You can burn the circuits. And also really choose the right adapter, because it sometimes reverses the power. But that's not too bad, because most computers have very specific adapters for each of the brands. So it works well with my Toshiba. Here you can see that at the back it does say that it works with Acer, Asus, Avratech, Compaq, CTX, Dell, eMachine, Fujitsu, Gateway, HP, Hitachi, IBM, Lenovo, NEC, Sony, Toshiba, and Winbook. I've tried it on 4 or 5 different laptops, and there was an adapter that would fit, and it seemed to work with pretty much everything. And it has an interesting thing, is it's one of the rare adapters that actually has the Dell plug. Dell has a very unique plug on its computers, and most universal adapters that I've seen in the past didn't have the Dell plug, and this one sure does, so it's pretty cool for that. Apart from that, it runs really cool. It's barely warm to the touch, which is even better than the original Toshiba adapter that I had that ran just so hot. And the only thing I would be maybe scared is by accident, while moving the adapter, you might actually accidentally change the voltage. It never happened to me, but you know, I think every time you use your computers, you should actually check to make sure that the little green light is in the correct voltage. Apart from that, the length of the wire that comes with it is actually not too bad. I'd say it might be a little shorter than the original power adapter that came with my Toshiba, but it is still quite long. Some of the universal power adapters are extra cheap on the length of wires. Well, this one isn't too bad. Another great little thing about this adapter is it has a built-in 5-volt USB port, which means you can actually use this adapter not only for your laptops, but you can charge your phone, you can charge any device that needs USB charging, and that is really nice. So you got a really cool little 5-volt USB port here for charging pretty much any device that you want. So why not take a peek and check it out on Amazon. You have it on eBay. Personally, like I said, I bought it at the local electronics store. So just take a peek. It is the AC120le model, Prudent Way. And it is for pretty much every laptop, notebook, computer. It works really well. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions about this video, about this adapter, let us know. We'll try to answer every question. And hope that you enjoyed our videos. Thanks for watching.